I've been selling print on demand for almost 10 years. Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, I've launched all of them. So when everyone started telling me to open a TikTok shop, I figured I'll take me an afternoon. It didn't. I sat there, stared at the setup screen, and closed the tab. If a 10-year seller froze on the setup screen, what's it doing to someone just starting out? Stay with me. There's a fix. It's free to try. Here's why I didn't walk away from it. TikTok Shop is the fastest growing place to sell in the US right now. It's not a side feature anymore. People buy without ever leaving the app. TikTok's own numbers say 7 in 10 users have bought something they stumbled on while scrolling. That's the part that matters. The buying is built into the watching. We are not saying you'll get rich or 3 in 4 will buy from you. We are reporting TikTok stats on screen with the source visible. For us as sellers, that's a brand new storefront of an audience that's already in a buying mode. If you got products that are hard to ignore, so the opportunity is real. The problem was never the opportunity. It was everything it takes to actually launch. And let me show you what stopped me. Opening a TikTok shop is one thing. Running it is a completely different job. There's the application and approval. There's compliance and the policy rules. There's getting your catalog connected and your shipping set up right. And then the part nobody warns you about: operations, content, affiliates, lives, and keeping the whole thing running every single week. That's not a skill problem, it's a time problem. Most of us already have a store to run. If that's where you've gotten stuck to, comment the word shop on this video. I'll send you the exact link I'm about to show you straight to your DMs. It's how you book a free 30-minute consultation with a TikTok shop expert. Because here's the thing that actually changed it for me. I stopped trying to do all of it myself. So here's what I found, why I'm even making this video. So Fiverr's built a dedicated page just for TikTok shop. It's a 360 solution. They connect you with a vetted TikTok shop expert, someone who does this for a living, to help you get set up and growing. And the part that sold me, you can book a free 30-minute consultation first. You talk to an actual expert. Tell them where your business is. They map out what your TikTok shop path looks like before you spend $1. That's the honest pitch here. It's not a button that runs your shop for you. It's a real person who has done it before. So you skip the part where you stare at the setup screen for a week like I did. Before I show you what an expert actually handles for you, here's one thing I would want to know if I were you. What does this cost? Is it worth it? I'll hit that in a second. And again, my link is in the description. Comment shop and I'll DM you too. Follow the steps there and you get a free 30-minute consultation with the TikTok shop expert. So what can you actually hand off? This is the part I'd wish I'd understood sooner. Setup, the application, approval, and getting your shop compliant and live. Operations, catalog, orders, the day-to-day running you don't have time for. Content, the videos and lives that actually sell on this platform. Strategy, which products to lead with and how to price for TikTok. Growth, affiliates, and scaling once it's working. That's a 360. Set up all the way through growth. You pick what you need help with. You don't have to hand over the whole thing if you don't want to. Pricing integrity. Do not state a hard price. If I mention cost, say verify. And if you tried TikTok shop before and it flopped, this next part is for you specifically. If your TikTok shop got stuck in approval or you launched and it just never moved, you're not the only one. That happens to a lot of people. Most stores don't fail there because the opportunity isn't real. They fail because they are trying to learn 5 jobs at once with nobody to ask. So here's how I start, and it costs nothing to find out if it's for you. 1, go to the link in the description. 2, book the free 30-minute consultation. 3, tell them about your store and let them map your TikTok shop plan. No commitment to find out if it's worth it. And use my link and follow the steps to book it. Or just comment shop and I'll send it straight to your DMs. Let me be straight about who this is for. If you already run a store, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, print on demand, and TikTok shop has been one of those on your list, but you keep putting it off, getting an expert for a free call is the easiest way to finally move. If you're brand new and the whole thing feels like too much, that free 30-minute consultation is a no-risk way to see the real path before you commit your time. And if you love doing every piece yourself and you've got the hours, honestly, you might not need this, and that's fine too. I'd rather you know. This is who it's for. This is who it's not for. Honestly, is the trust move. Do not cut it. Either way, links in the description, and it's a free 30-minute consultation to start. Comment shop and I'll DM it to you. I created my own TikTok shop on this channel, so watch this video right here next. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below. Peace out.